Hello, happy birthday to us. No need now. Okay. Now we go out. It's my birthday, so I'm just treat date with my children. My children daw. I'm the nanny, Rally. Really, I'm the nanny. And they are my alaga. Oh, si Sise. Ito the friend of Sise and si Coco.
Subscribe to Grass.
No.
And live.
And live. So we celebrate
And
her.
comment.
Just both of us only. Both of 3, 4 pala. Okay, so we go there. Nice here. Same as usual. There is some improvement. They are busy because there is the potball. So that's why. Potball. So we go there for the drinks. So which one you want to choose?
Yeah, جديدة. أقول لك جديدة.
Where is it? Where you want? This one?
Yeah.
This inside? Inside?
القرآن والله ما عاد.
Yela, just a minute. Let me to finish my what's that? Uy, where you go? Yela, go inside na. I go there in the other side. Kasi nga nag-video pa kami. I'm making video pa. So now, we just come here for the children. Okay, so yan. Inside, asan na yung dalawa? Okay, nandoon na. Nag-sit down. And then, papasok daw kami doon. Sisi, help me, come here. Help me. The door, help me the door. Help me the door, please. To open. Okay. Yeah, it's they are noisy already because of the football. They are shouting. Oh, you see? They are shouting. Yela na, dali, go and order. Close the door, please. Close the door. Dali na, close the door. Yela, go and order. They make order daw. Yela, order. Eileen, what your order, Eileen?
I will order a drink.
Yela, choose which one your order. So we have an order now. For what they want. Okay, so we say bye-bye. And thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you to subscribe, like, and share.